Cool. So let's go on. What is the next question we got here on sweeteners? I can't remember what the question was. Someone had asked about monk fruit, so I thought it'd be good to review our sweeteners. So remember, our number one top sweetener of all time is always going to be raw, unfiltered, unpasteurized honey. Unfortunately, when you see raw, I'm not sure that um, technically means that it's unpasteurized, because I think labeling laws allows raw to be pasteurized up to a certain temperature. So you're looking for a honey that actually says raw, unpasteurized, and unfiltered, because the health benefits, a lot of the health benefits associated with honey come from a lot of those intact enzymes. You know, you think about what honey is, it's bee vomit, like it's regurgitated bee vomit, but it has a lot of tremendous health benefits associated with it. So honey in every situation that you could possibly get honey in. I think it's a superfood. I do usually a tablespoon or so of honey at night with my fruit or whatever it is that I'm consuming dessert-wise. Maple syrup is fine. You know, it's not like a nutrient powerhouse or a superfood like honey is, but it's fine. It's approved. It's okay. And then natural sugars from fruits and dates and things like that are great. We're fine with people experimenting with the sugar alcohols and any of the food products, as long as the other ingredients check out that contain xylitol and erythritol. But I just know that there's a lot of people that get digestive issues from those things. So if you're not paying attention, maybe start to pay attention. If you're consuming these things, I get tremendous gas anytime I consume anything with xylitol or erythritol. And even in small amounts, I don't do very good with it. So just pay attention to that. They're fine to experiment with it. Some people do really good on it. You know, like the Lincanto, which is a monk fruit combined with, I think, erythritol. It's a really good no-calorie sweetener. So, and then the non-nutritive sweeteners like stevia and monk fruit are going to be perfectly appropriate for people to experiment with. All right.